Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
I'm Dylan.
And you're watching Green Steam Maker's Cave. Hey, and welcome back to Green Steam Maker's Cave. This is our second video, our first project video. What are we going to make today, Dylan?
We're going to make this Discovery Robotics kit.
Little backstory on this Discovery Robotics kit. So about 3 weeks ago, I bought this Discovery Robotics snake kit for Dylan for Valentine's Day. And we put it together. That was fun, wasn't it, Dill?
Mm-hmm.
So then my wife bought us this Discovery Channel Robotics kit. Comes with 3 different robots to build. So that's what we're going to make for you today. You ready to get making, Dill?
Yeah.
Alright. Open it up. See what we got in here.
See.
Wanna pull it out, Bill? Can you get it?
Get out! I say, get out!
Oh, look at this. Cool. We can put that up. Put that up in here, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Comes with this poster that maybe we'll hang up in our maker's cave.
Try to open this.
Okay. Let me open it up.
Do you have knives? Do you have these knives in the scene?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty insanitary. But
Unsanitary?
yes, it is. It is very insanitary.
That's not really. I mean, unsafe? Unsanitary and unsafe are 2 different things, right?
No, they aren't. Everything is the same. Wait, let me see. Wait, no, they're not. Oh, mine. Open it. Ow.
Got it?
Yeah. Ow.
Alright, so this looks like it's got quite a bit of parts.
Quite a bit. Quite a bit. Quite a bit.
So this may be,
Quite a bit.
this may take a while. And we might have to stop, load the video, and we're back.
Yes.
Sorry, we ran out of video and the battery died.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, so
Yeah.
what we gotta
We gotta
build here.
go.
Let's focus on one for tonight, okay?
I want to do the hand thing.
The what?
Hand one. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so I really want to do this one, but we can do this one first.
What is that?
It can be all kinds of things. 7-in-1 robot. So, it could be, this is the hand one, so keep that over there.
Okay.
Where is the sheet? Shows you all different.
Is that it?
Yeah. So it could be any of these. Which I think that one's really cool. You know, or this one.
Space dog.
Space dog.
Space dog.
You want to do space dog or this? We could probably do this one. Would probably be easier for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're only going to put together one of the robots.
What?
We'll have the others in future videos.
Future.
Alright, so
So watch our next video. Watch it. If you're old enough. Okay?
we need
Yes.
contents: 2 arms, 1 battery holder, 1 chassis, 1 battery lid, 1 upright piece, 1 pivot gear, 1 battery base, 1 axle with gear and wheels, 1 axle with wheels, 1 motor with wires and contacts, 1 water dropper, battery sets containing 3 magnesium sheets, 3 fabric sheets, 1 air cathode black 2 screws. Alright, prepare your work area. Building the robot.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.
Now, we need the other one. Which? Alright, so think about this. Oh, wait. Wait, we did it wrong. Huh. Well, I'm really not sure, Bill.
It's a pop.
Ah.
Oh.
So this has to go on top of here. Flip in like that.
Okay. I think I got
You can't pull this wire off though. You gotta be careful with it. Very careful.
it. Go.
Got it? Got it? Dang, look at you, Dill. You're better than I am. Okay. Let me try.
I'm not doing anything.
Alright. And that's the robot. So we're back. We got some
Yes, we are.
salt, some water,
And
a measuring cup, and a cup.
Mardi Gras.
It says, add salt to tap water or distilled water at a ratio of 1 salt, 5 water. 20% will be the most efficient. So we need 1 part salt and 5 parts water. So how are you going to do that with that?
I don't know.
You would do 5 of these and 1 salt.
Okay.
Into the cup.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do 1 more because you lost a little.
5 and a half.
Alright. Now, 1 of these. Ooh,
Oh my god.
that'll be alright.
Okay, 1. Get out.
I said, did I say 5 of these? I meant 1 of these.
And we mix it around.
Mix it up.
I want to mix it.
Okay, mix it up.
We're making soup. No, we're not.
Alright. Now, you take the dropper, squeeze, and get some in the dropper, and it says using eyedropper, carefully suck up some water and squeeze 3 drops onto the fabric part of the battery, so down here.
Okay.
Clear off an area that is flat and smooth so the robot can move easily. You will need to remove the robot's battery in order to stop it from moving.
Is that enough?
So, yeah, neat. Alright. So now, do 3 drops on that side.
Is this waterproof?
Starting. There we go! Alright, go. Alright guys, so that's our salt water powered robot. This is the first of a 3-part series. We're going to build 3 different robots.
And don't forget guys to hit that like button, the notification bell, and please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks guys.